To cap or limit the FPS in any game is actually very simple. As a disclaimer, I just want to say that this will only work with nvidia graphics cards. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to update our drivers, and to do this you just want to click on your Windows icon and you want to type in GeForce Experience, and then you want to open the GeForce Experience app. So once GeForce Experience has opened up, you want to click on the drivers tab in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on check for updates. As you can see, I have a driver available for update, so we're going to go ahead and install that. Okay, so now our drivers are up to date, we can go ahead and limit our FPS. So to do this, you want to right click anywhere on your desktop, and if you're on Windows 11, you want to click on show more options, and then you want to click on nvidia control panel. So once the nvidia control panel loads up, it should look something like this. So we want to navigate to manage 3D settings just underneath the 3D settings tab, and then it will look like this. So we have two tabs here, we have a global settings tab and we also have a program settings tab. So the global settings tab will change all of these settings for every single application and game on your computer. But the program settings tab, you'll be able to change these same settings, but these settings will only apply to specific games that we select. So once you are on your tab of choice, you want to scroll through these settings and you want to find where it says max frame rate and click on the setting and turn it on. I recommend capping your FPS a couple of frames below your monitor's refresh rate. So if you've got a 60Hz monitor, I recommend capping it at 58 FPS. If you've got a 144Hz monitor, you want to cap your FPS at 142. Once you're ready, you want to click on OK, and then you want to click on Apply. So once you've applied your settings, you can exit out of the nvidia control panel and start playing games just as you normally would. It's important to note that the nvidia control panel overrides all of the settings in game, so if the FPS limiter in game doesn't work, it's because it's being overridden by the nvidia control panel. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.